Have you noticed that the people who are silenced are always the ones preaching unity? After listening to George Carlin and Sammy Davis, the pattern is impossible to ignore. Take a listen.
Assassination. You know what's interesting about assassination?
Okay guys, it is official. Charlie Kirk is dead.
Well, not only does it change those popularity polls in a big hurry.
And this is what I had to become aware of on my pilgrimage to Mecca. I could see then that there are many white people in this country who will side with the Negro in whatever he has to do to protect himself.
But it's also interesting to notice who it is we assassinate. Did you ever notice who it is? Stop to think of who it is we kill.
Mr. Kennedy was struck in the head. The governor of Texas, John Connally, was shot in the back.
It's always people who've told us to live together in harmony and try to love one another.
We are tied together in so many ways: our language, our music, our cultural patterns, our material prosperity, where black men and white men share power together.
Jesus, Gandhi, Lincoln, John Kennedy, Bobby Kennedy, Martin Luther King, Medgar Evers.
To build a new and a great nation. In a real sense, we all caught in an inescapable network of mutuality, tied in a single garment of destiny.
Evers, Malcolm X, John Lennon, they all said, try to live together peacefully. Bam!
Now pay close attention to what Sammy Davis is about to say. Some of you may have seen this before. If you have, you can skip ahead. If not, listen closely.
They done killed Martin Luther King, and the only thing he kept singing was, "We shall overcome in love and peace." Killed him, wiped him out. Killed Malcolm. Wiped out everybody, man. Don't you understand? And some cat hired 3 black cats to wipe out the man who was the martyr of our time. And when they killed him, he had a half a church full of people. It wasn't like it was packed and jammed. Doesn't it strike you funny that as long as Malcolm was preaching separatism, as long as he was preaching such vehemence, he never got hurt at all. It was when he came back from Mecca and he said, we must all live together. We must as black people do our thing, but we must all live on this earth as one, blah, blah. That's when he started getting his house bombed. He got wiped out months later. Same thing with King. As long as King was hitting the marches, they put him in jail. That was it. As soon as he started talking about Vietnam and the workers and this, that, and the other, getting out of his field of reference, really, heavy, too heavy for somebody. Wipe him out.
What Carlin and Davis are showing us is simple. Those who preach togetherness threaten the forces that thrive on division. People who stir confusion or conflict are left alone. People who bring people together are made targets. This is not random. It's a pattern we've seen for decades. This is why Charlie Kirk appears on the thumbnail. The media has led many to believe he preached separatism. But listening to Carlin, Davis, and Kirk himself, the truth is clear. Those who unite us are dangerous to the powers that be. They twist their words, make them look like villains so they have a reason to remove them. Charlie Kirk was building bridges with young people, sparking dialogue, helping them see where we go wrong. That's why he was targeted. When you understand this pattern, the story makes sense. The world rewards division, but fears unity. And that is the lesson we need to see. From history, from Sammy Davis, from George Carlin, and even in what happened to Charlie Kirk.